So the next question is, what do you think Kashmiris really want? Is it really independence, or do they want to go with India or Pakistan?
Well, on this issue, Kashmir has a lot of debate. I must agree with some of my friends from the valley with whom I seldom agree. There is a big population which wants to stay with India. Unfortunately, India has abandoned them. Successive governments have abandoned them. They don't stand by them. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. कुक्का पारे एक फोक सिंगर था. वो 90s में पाकिस्तान गया, आर्म्स ट्रेनिंग ली, वहां देखा असलियत क्या है, वापस आया, आर्मी को सरेंडर किया, आर्मी से कहा कि मैं काउंटर इंसर्जेंट बनूंगा. काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी में इखवान नाम का संगठन शुरू किया, इंसर्जेंसी की कमर तोड़ के रख दी. मुसलमान था, देशभक्त था. उसी के बूते 1996 में भारत वहां चुनाव करवा सका. 1990 में जब हम लोगों का विस्थापन हुआ था तो फारूक अब्दुल्ला छोड़ छाड़ के लंदन भाग गए थे, गोल्फ खेल रहे थे. 90 से 96 तक वहां गवर्नर का शासन था. 96 में भारत ने चुनाव करवाए और आकर फिर से फारूक अब्दुल्ला को सत्ता दे दी. लेकिन उस कोका पारे का क्या हुआ? उसको जब इन जिहादियों ने गोली मारी, उसके फ्यूनरल में एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिश्नर तक नहीं गया. ये सैकड़ों करोड़ रुपया हुर्रियत की सिक्योरिटी पे खर्च करते हैं, उनकी ऐशो आराम पे खर्च करते हैं. ये वहां देशभक्तों पर फूटी कौड़ी नहीं लगाते हैं. उसके साथ ही मुश्ताक फैमिली जम्मू में भाग करके आकर के रह रही है. लियाकत मारा गया, कैप्टन शिबन किशन तिक्कू बीमार पड़ा है. Successive regimes have thrown money at separatists in the fond hope that they can buy their loyalty, and those who are loyal to them, they are already in our pocket, they don't have an option. Where will they go? Is the attitude. Number two, this attitude that you can please them, cajole them into some kind of change of heart and win them over is idiotic. Barack Obama was not stupid when he did not even let Osama's dead body pictures to be taken or published anywhere. Indian government did not allow Maqbool Bhatt to step out of Tihar jail after his hanging, or for that matter Ajmal Kasab. But this government organized a funeral for Yaqub Memon in this city. I'm not talking about Kashmir. Burhan Wani's funeral was organized. Pakistani militants' funerals are organized, attended by thousands of people. What do? These funerals serve a purpose. When vagabond teenagers with no purpose in life see such an easy way to glory, imagine what a 16 or 17-year-old will think when thousands of people are singing praises of Burhan Wani in a funeral. This government organizes that. This government, our government, पिछले 2 साल से हो रहा है ये. क्यों कर रहे हैं भाई? Is it soft touch, healing touch, reaching out? Reaching out to what? To what avail? So there is a section which is, sorry for digression, which is committed to secession as a political bogey because it helps them seek concessions. वो कहते हैं कि ये हमारी politics है. We will keep you on the edge, we will keep asking for more, and you will keep giving. In their hearts, probably they will never reveal or they don't want to go because they know what a state Pakistan is in. or as a landlocked Kashmir with such a meager set of resources, where will they go? But as a political ideology, it suits them because it is lucrative to be in this kind of politics. तीसरा वो हैं जो पाकिस्तान चाहते हैं, वो पाकिस्तान फंडेड हैं. चौथे वो हैं जो आजाद कश्मीर चाहते हैं, ना पाकिस्तान चाहते हैं ना हिंदुस्तान चाहते हैं. पांचवें वो हैं जो कैलिफेट चाहते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी इज शैम, सोशलिज्म इज शैम, सेक्युलरिज्म इज शैम, नेशनलिज्म इज शैम, रीजनलिज्म इज शैम, any other identity except Islam is sham. So what do we want? We want a caliphate. So ISIS, Baghdadi, or whoever is his successor. But the secession is bit in their first step as a low-hanging fruit. कहते हैं कि साहब इंडिया से तो अलग हो, बाद में देखते हैं क्या करना है. So on this they cooperate also, even as they indulge in debates and argument as to what after. But on this issue, they don't have much of a problem. So there are shades and there are shades. I wonder if I've answered your question right.
So the next one is around the recent discussions on China and the Indus Valley Treaty, the Indus Water Treaty, and what's